Good morning children. This is third standard English class. Today we are going to do revision block 14 and 15. Block 14, finding the main idea. In that, what are the topics children? S1, grouping sentences. Grouping sentences is nothing but we have to group the sentences related to the topic. In that, what did we do children? I have shown you some sentences related to the wood, jute and silk, and then after that we sorted the sentences according to the topic. Then S2, main idea of paragraph. Main idea means nothing but what does the author want to teach us. We can understand the main idea of paragraph not only by reading that. We can see the title of the story and we can see the pictures what they have given in the story. With that also we can understand the main idea. And S3, main idea and supporting details. Not only main, how can we understand the main idea children? We can read the supporting details, means they will give us more details. Then we can understand the main idea. Now S4, compound subjects and predicates. Subject means nothing but naming part. Predicate means telling part. Let's look into this. So in this we have learned to combine the sentences to form compound subject and predicate. See for example, cotton clothes are comfortable. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Here see the subject is same. What is the subject children? We are talking about cotton clothes. But the predicate is different. So how can we combine this sentence children? These two sentences. Cotton clothes are comfortable and keep us cool. See, subject is same but the predicate is different. So what did they do? Here I used and between the predicates. Cotton clothes are comfortable and keep us cool. One more example. Flowers wither, flowers fall. Here the subject is same. So what is the subject children? Flowers. So what is the predicate? Wither and fall. So what do we call children? This one we call compound predicate. See here. Bees fly. Butterflies fly. Here predicate is same. But what is the different children? Bees and means subject is different. So how do we combine these sentences? By using and. Bees and butterflies fly. Okay, like this we have to combine the sentences. Shreya loves to play sports or she loves to play sports. Here see predicate is same. So what is the different? Shreya means subject is different. How do we combine this sentence? Shreya and Arshi love to play sports. Okay children? So when two subjects are connected with the word and, we'll call that compound subject. See here, the subjects, we connected the subjects with the word and. So these are compound subject. And see here, predicates. When we connected the predicates with the word and, we'll call that compound predicate. Compound predicate. Now see block 15. What are the topics we have learned children? Simple and compound sentences. Simple sentence. Simple sentence means it has one subject and one predicate. And compound sentences. When we join two simple sentences by using the joining word and, but or, we'll call that compound sentences. So what are the conjunction? What do we call that? And, but, or, we'll call that conjunctions. Okay, now S3, writing steps in a process. When we are making anything, see something, say for example when you are preparing a tea or a lemonade, there will be some process. So you have to follow the process. So there will be some steps you have to follow. That is writing steps in a process. And as for sentence variety, there are different sentences, children, like compound subjects, compound predicates and simple sentences. We'll call that sentence variety. Now let's look into the topic conjunctions. See, when do we use and, children? For adding more information, for giving alternatives. See, for example, Akash was going out of town. He packed his bag. How can we join these sentences? By using the conjunction. Akash was going out of town, comma, and he packed his bag. Children, remember, children, you have to put comma before the conjunction. Akash was going out of town, comma, and he packed his bag. We are giving more information. But, when do we use but? Saying opposite things. He packed his bag. The bag wouldn't close. So this is the opposite. He packed his bag, comma, but it wouldn't close. Saying opposite things, which conjunction we have to use? We have to use but. Or to show different choices. See, we'll have the choices, children. I like tea or coffee. See, like the choice will be there. He could use a bigger bag. He could take fewer clothes. So here what is the choice? Here choice is there. Which conjunction we have to use? Or. He could use a bigger bag, comma, or could take fewer clothes. Now children, open your English classwork. We'll write the revision. Write today's date, children. 6-4-2021. Revision block 14 and block 15. Block 14 and block 15. First bit you have to write meanings. Where are the meanings, children? Page number 96. Reader. So this is page number 96. The meanings: curious, fibers, loom, pod, wither, yarn. Not only writing, children, you have to learn with the spellings. You will get meanings. Okay? And also you have to learn make sentences. Maybe you may get like fill in the blanks. After that, completing the first bit, write the second bit. Use the word and to combine the sentences. From where you have to write that? Workbook volume 2, page number 33, question number 2. See, this is volume 2 workbook. Page number 33. Question number 2. A, B, C, D, E, F. So all these you have to complete. Once again, see children, I am showing it to you clearly. Don't write question number 3. Is it clear, children? Next, question number 3. Replace the conjunction and write the correct sentence. Here I have given you wrong conjunctions. What you have to do, you have to replace that conjunction with the correct conjunction, and again you have to rewrite the sentence, rewrite the correct sentence. You must work hard, comma, and you will not win. Here this conjunction is wrong. So with the correct conjunction, you have to write the sentence. You must work hard, comma, or you will not win. Second one, leave one line. Second one, Aman cut the vegetables, comma, but Sheila cooked the food. Here, see here, but conjunction. This conjunction is wrong in this sentence. So what is the correct conjunction, children? Aman cut the vegetables, comma, and Sheila cooked the food. Here we are adding the information. So what we have to do? We have to use and. Third one, Pratik wanted to play outside, comma, or it was raining heavily. Here the conjunction which I have used is wrong. So you have to replace this conjunction with the correct conjunction. Pratik wanted to play outside, comma, but it was raining heavily. Okay children, now fourth bit. Combine the simple sentences using the correct conjunction and, but or. From where you have to write this? Workbook volume 2 page number 36. Workbook volume 2 page number 36. I will show you children. Question number 2. See here page number 36. Question number 2. What you have to write? A, B, C, D, E. All these bits you have to copy in the classwork. So practice all these children as well as you have to learn. Okay children, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.